This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Harley Hensley. Discover this stunning single-family home featuring 3 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Inside, you'll find an open floor plan that boasts a large kitchen with a huge center island, stainless steel appliances, a generous pantry, and 2 seating areas. The main level also includes a spacious living area and a versatile flex space, perfect for a home office. Upstairs, the home offers 3 bedrooms and a convenient laundry area. The master suite features a walk-in closet, a luxurious ensuite bathroom with a double sink vanity, a large garden tub, and a walk-in shower. Additionally, the master suite has access to a spacious porch. The community provides access to the Seminole Trail, a pool, and a playground. Lawn care is included, and the home is zoned for top-rated schools within walking distance. For more information, review the details below.